my god.
I just want to try it, it'll make me feel better, and then I'll be done. Screenwriters aren't...
This is the TIFF red carpet. I'm way early, and then my movie starts, so I'm gonna miss it, but Anna Kendrick and some other celebrities, I'm not sure who, are gonna walk down here before their movie at 8, I believe. You can do your makeup at this L'Oreal thing that they set up. And they have other booths down there for Samsung and some banks. So I got red lipstick on from L'Oreal, and yeah, I'm gonna miss that one. But I heard there's another one for my screening in front of the theater where I'm gonna see Mr. Right today. People who want to take pictures. That's it, Princess of Wales Theater. The line's already that long, so. Got windy. Inside.
Amazingly awesome Sam Rockwell! And delightfully talented Anna Kendrick. I think Max wants to say a few words. SupportYourMovieSubs.org. I guess. Gosh, this has been a long road. How many people here are volunteers? I heard that a lot of hardworking volunteers were here. And the Freyja, I really got the best cast I could have possibly gotten in this movie. Anna and Sam play characters who are insane in this movie. So if you're here expecting anything but some deep, deep weirdness, you are in the wrong theater. So let's have a moment. How many people here are between 20 and 35? Will you guys indulge me for a moment? Because I feel very nervous about this. Will you guys sing along with me just to the first chorus of the song?
Oh my god.
I just want to try it, it'll make me feel better, and then I'll be done. Screenwriters aren't supposed to be seen. And this is why. Okay, who can help me? You are my fire.
The one desire, believe when I say I want it that way.
But we
are two worlds apart.
Oh God, you're a great audience. Can't reach to your heart
when I say I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartbreak.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why.
I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
I think you might like this movie, folks. Thank you. I saw both movies when I was 8, which is probably a reason why all this happened. And I shaved my head. That's a joke, no? And then one day I was coming back from school, started raining, and I remember I was obsessed with singing in the rain. And I started like singing and dancing in the rain. I was a fat kid, like with glasses and dancing in the rain and everything. And in Spain, it was really weird. And then I came back home, I was all wet. My mother was so upset. She said very mean words in Spanish, that's what I'm saying now. And, and then I remember, what I remember is being so, having this feeling of joy, of happiness, of freedom. And that's exactly what I would love that you can feel when you watch this movie tonight. You know, so just enjoy, have fun, and be happy. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the movie was really good. I really liked it, and I'm gonna go home. See you next time. Bye.